This is Tom and Susie. They've got a baby on the way and need a bigger home. But what they weren't expecting was just how much work it is to sell their condo. The market is too fast-paced to keep up with, and they have other, more important things to think about. Tom and Susie need professional real estate agents who know how to work in a competitive and saturated market. They need Icon agents. With 90% of buyers looking in the internet first, Icon agents work as a team to ensure that Tom and Susie's property has the highest internet market visibility possible by plugging into an amazing internet marketing machine. We start by creating a rich, detailed listing with professional photographs. We have Tom and Susie's home professionally staged to look its absolute best. We create personalized web pages for their property and syndicate it to multiple real estate sites. With a top ranking at Google, Tom and Susie see Icon's multiple websites maximize their exposure to qualified buyers. They receive immediate notifications from our realtor and client database. We're proactive with selling our clients' property. We're constantly visiting homes, networking with contacts, and reaching out to other sellers. With the expertise of Icon agents, Tom and Susie know they will get top dollar for their property. That's money that Tom and Susie can use to raise their daughters. Life moves quickly, and so should your property. Do what Tom and Susie did and contact Icon agents today. We will provide a free comparative analysis and explain what that means to your home's selling price. And we'll deliver the 20 best things you can do to get the highest value for your home. No obligation. Why sell yourself short? Do less work and put more money in your pocket, even after the commission. Results guaranteed.